Alright, here we have Abby. And she is such a ball of fun. Hi, you gonna get the blankie? Oh, where'd you go? Can you get it? Oh yeah, she thinks she's so tough. She's really little. She's just barely the length of my hand. Where are you going? And she bounces around like a little bunny. She's so cute. Abby, hi. What you doing? Hey, you. Where you going? Come here. Abby. Abby. Oh. Oh, it's still so we can get your face. Oh, no. You're not going to do it, huh? Come on, let us see your cute face. Hi, cute girl. Where'd you go? Hey. She's so much fun. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Abby! Oh, you found my shoes. Come here. Come here, you. Don't chew the shoes. Hi, hi, you cutie. Hi, you cutie girl.